Claude just learned to control your computer from your phone. You scan a QR code, walk away, and the AI keeps coding while you're gone. $2.5 billion in annual revenue, and it doubled in 8 weeks. But researchers already proved a single booby-trapped PDF can wipe your entire hard drive. Productivity dream or ticking time bomb? Here's how it works. You open your terminal, type /RC. A QR code appears. Scan it with your phone, and you're connected. The session runs locally on your machine. No cloud server in the middle. End-to-end encryption, no inbound ports. Your laptop can go to sleep. The process keeps running underneath. From your phone, you see exactly what Claude sees. The files it's editing, the commands it's running. You can approve, reject, or redirect, all from the subway. But this didn't come out of nowhere. October 2024, Anthropic releases computer use in public beta. Claude can move a mouse, click buttons, type text. It scores 22% on OSWorld, the benchmark for autonomous computer control. Rough. February 2025, Claude Code launches, a command line agent for developers. By May, it's GA. By August, it controls Chrome. By November, it hits $1 billion in annual revenue in just 6 months. Then, January 2026, Cowork drops, a visual interface for non-developers on Mac. And now, February 25, 2026, Remote Control. The latest Claude Opus 4.6 scores 72.7% on OSWorld. That's 3.3x improvement in 16 months. And the money? It tells an even bigger story. $2.5 billion in annualized revenue from Claude Code alone, doubled since January 1st. Business subscriptions quadrupled. Over 500 companies now pay more than $1 million a year for Claude. The total Anthropic revenue, $14 billion annualized. Their latest funding round, $30 billion at a $380 billion valuation. For context, that makes Anthropic worth more than most Fortune 100 companies. And it's not just for developers anymore. Cowork Plugins launched yesterday. Finance teams connect FactSet, HR connects Workday, and anyone can plug in Google Drive, Gmail, or DocuSign. Need to turn an Excel spreadsheet into a PowerPoint deck? Claude does it. The plugin marketplace is private and enterprise grade. Windows support just landed too, meaning Cowork is no longer Mac only. But here's the part nobody's talking about. 48 hours. That's how long it took researchers to compromise Claude Cowork after launch. They demonstrated silent file exfiltration, confidential documents sent to a third-party Anthropic account without the user knowing. Separately, Hidden Layer showed that a booby-trapped PDF using indirect prompt injection can trick Claude computer use into running a shell command that deletes your entire file system. Anthropic says their defenses have reduced the residual attack success rate to about 1%. 1%. That sounds small until you remember that millions of people use this daily. Claude isn't alone in this race. OpenAI's operator scores 38.1% on OSWorld, half of Claude's score, but hits 87% on web-only tasks. Google's Mariner can juggle 10 tasks at once and learns workflows you teach it. Gemini's computer use scores 88.9% on Web Voyager. Claude leads desktop. Google leads web. OpenAI is catching up. The real question isn't who's best today, it's who gets to 100% first. In 16 months, Claude went from barely controlling a mouse to running your entire machine from your phone. The AI is no longer a chatbot. It's becoming an autonomous colleague that works 24/7. But that colleague can be tricked. Every new capability is a new attack surface. So use it, but verify everything it does. What do you think? Would you trust an AI to keep coding while you sleep? Drop your answer in the comments. If you found this useful, subscribe and hit the bell. New AI breakdowns every week. See you in the next one.